Hi everyone, Krista Cowan here with an important announcement. As part of a philanthropic effort to make culturally important records available without restriction, Ancestry has partnered with the Arolsen Archives International Center on Nazi Persecution, formerly known as the International Tracing Service, or ITS. The goal of this partnership is to publish records from their collection online and to make these records available to everyone, regardless of subscription status. The ITS was started shortly after World War II ended. The Arolsen Archive now holds records on more than 17.5 million people who were in the various victim groups targeted by the Nazi regime. The first two databases of records from this collection are now available at Ancestry. Africa, Asia, and Europe passenger lists of displaced persons from 1946 to 1971, and the Europe registration of foreigners and German persecutees from 1939 to 1947. Included in these records are passenger lists of immigrants leaving Germany and other European ports and airports between 1946 and 1971. The majority of the immigrants listed in this database are displaced persons, Holocaust survivors, former concentration camp inmates, and Nazi forced laborers, as well as refugees from Central and European countries and some non-European countries. You can search these records by name, birth date and place, or destination, or you can browse them by resettlement region. The available images show locations where refugees were temporarily settled during and immediately following the war. As these individuals were permanently resettled into other countries around the world, the records show who was traveling together, providing glimpses into who survived. These are just the first two sets of records available from the Arolsen Archives collection. And again, these records are now available online at Ancestry for anyone, regardless of subscription status.